Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, and just a quick reminder, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Summer is finally coming to an end, and as cooler temperatures roll in, it is time to start preparing your yard for the fall. I'm here to tell you how. You might not know it, but September is the perfect time to give your lawn a little TLC to set the stage for a healthy and vibrant lawn throughout the fall and into the next growing season. Here are some tips. First, mowing. As the weather cools, gradually raise the cutting edge of your lawnmower. In doing so, the tall grass will shade the soil, reducing weed growth and promoting a healthier root development. Second is watering. Adjust your watering routine based on the weather. As temperatures begin to cool, your lawn will require less water. Water deeply and infrequently, preferably in the early morning, to allow grass to absorb moisture before the sun gets too hot. Next, fertilizing. Apply a small, specific fertilizer, such as Scott's Turf Builder, that will promote root growth and help your lawn recover from summer stress, giving you a better lawn in the spring. Aerating. If your lawn has compacted soil, September is a great time to aerate it because grass can recover quicker when it's not surviving the hot temperatures. Aerating involves creating holes in the soil to improve air, water, and nutrient circulation to the grass roots. It's effective and easy to use. You can use a garden spike or wear aerating shoes and walk around. It will give you a good workout and your lawn will love you for it. If your lawn has thin areas or bare spots, consider overseeding with cool season grass varieties. This can help fill in those areas and provide a denser lawn for the coming year. Early fall is also a great time for weed control. Apply pre-emergent herbicides to prevent winter weeds from taking root. You can also spot treat any existing weeds with post-emergent herbicides. Dethatching. If your lawn has a heavy thatch layer or dead grass and debris, you may want to dethatch to improve the water and nutrient penetration. We all love to watch the leaves turn and begin to fall, only if they're left, they can smother the grass and encourage disease. Therefore, you need to regularly rake and remove them from your lawn. Don't forget mower maintenance. Sharpen your mower blades to ensure clean cuts. Dull blades can tear grass, making it more susceptible to diseases. Remember that local climate and grass can influence specific care that your lawn may need. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, please click the link below to view our other videos. We've supplied links to mentioned products below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.